Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today we're gonna be reviewing the Jeffree Star's new holiday glitter collection. It came 6 in the packaging. I'm sorry, 8. So here they are. These are just beautiful. When I saw them, when I opened them, actually when I saw him on his video, I was just amazed. I was like, I need to get them. It was just, the packaging is so beautiful. I don't know, I just fell in love with these. Plus, I haven't swatched them, so they'll be a first impression. If you want to see how I swatch them or want to see how they look on me, please keep on watching. This is what I use Aquaphor to prime my lips. This lotion, this cream, whatever you want to call it, is just amazing. If you have your lips really chapped, this helps you not to get them chapped. Well, anyways, let's get into the video. So this is the first one that I'll be swatching. It looks like this. You just have to see how beautiful these are. And this one's in the shade Human Nature. So this is how it looks dry. It's beautiful. It's called Human Nature. So second liquid lipstick from that collection, it's Baby. Looks like this. This is the shade Baby. This color, wow, it looks amazing. Third liquid lipstick, Poinsettia. By the way guys, it's my first time swatching these since I got them. I got them like 2 weeks ago. So this is the third shade, Poinsettia, or Poinsettia, I don't know what's it called. I'm loving this shade. It's kind of like a red goldish, and I am totally digging this one. So that lipstick stained my lips. Let's go on to the fourth liquid lipstick. It's First Class. Looks like this. Oh, I have it backwards. Looks like this. I gave up on this lipstick. This one is such a disappointment. I had to do it. As you guys can see, or you guys saw, I applied it like 3 times on the upper lip and on the bottom lip, and I still didn't get that full coverage that I wanted on the lips. Plus, I don't know, I'm not feeling this color. What do you guys think? I mean, you guys can still see redness of my lips. I don't know if it was because I stained my lips with the other lipstick, or you can tell right away it doesn't have that full coverage on it. Maybe if I just pack it in there like that. But that's it. Maybe you can get that full coverage. Not my favorite out of the collection right now. This one has been the least favorite one. So I have 4 more to swatch, so let's keep on moving. What is Christmas Cookie? Let's see. Swatch Christmas Cookie. Okay, So this one's a pretty shade. Oh, I like this color. This color is pretty. Oh, matching with my nails. Yeah, kinda. Almost. Next, we're gonna go in with Mermaid Blood. I'm trying so hard not to add a second layer, but I'm gonna have to add a second layer. This color, very pretty color. So I have 2 more shades left. It's going with the second to last. It's Berries on Ice. This color, I think I'm gonna end up leaving this color on. So last shade, it's Medusa. So let's check out Medusa to see how it applies. So this is the last shade. It's my least favorite, but you know what, I already bought it. I can use it on the lid or for something, you know, put it as an eyeshadow. Anyways guys, this is the end of my tutorial, or the end of this video.